Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. Ayan, speaking of music, may mga nagme-music sa labas. Shoes. And the ground. Bottom card natin, light bulb. So, marami na kayong mga pinaplano ngayon pa lang ha, for the new year. So, and ngayong Pasko, ayan, busy-busy na naman. Marami, sasabog ang notifications mo. Sabog ang notifications ha. So, tingnan natin. Wow. So, may nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon, ha. Maaaring itong taon 'to ni-reject mo na in the past. So, we have here the Ace of Pentacles, Strength card. So, maaaring Leo energy ito. Two of Cups, the Eight of Wands, Page of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Wow. Bottom card natin is the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So, itong taong 'to, interesado siya sa'yo, eh. Maaaring ni-reject mo na itong taong 'to in the past. And gusto niya talaga i-forso ka, no? So, maaaring isa siya sa mga magpapasabog ng notifications mo. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin message ng Archangels. We have here gentleness by Archangel Sandalphon. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situations, and environments. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng mga tarot messages, oracle cards. Haha. Tingnan mo, I watch you from afar. So, itong taon to, pinagmamasan ka talaga niya, ini-stalk ka, talagang interesado ito sa'yo na maaaring lahat ng post mo, nilalike niya, sinashare pa niya. Hina-heart, may comment pa. Oh, talaga naman. Tired and need rest. So, being defensive, I want you back. So, maaaring persons from the past na gustong bumalik. You're my destiny. Can we start again? I want to see you this weekend and I have multiple opportunities. Sorry I'm wasted. Bottom card. So, talagang pasasabugin niya yung notifications mo para lang pansinin mo siya. So, hindi siya papayag na ignorin mo siya. No? Parang ganon. Okay, so, tingnan natin. Messages here. So, hindi siya papayag na hindi mo siya replyan. I wish things could be different. Just being near you is intoxicating. I hid who I really am from you. I love you unconditionally. Tingnan mo, oh. I'm so attracted to you. We need to let each other go. I know I was a distraction from your pain, and we both know I'm not the one for you. Bottom card, I wish I could share my good news with you. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter Y, N. Maring isa to kung lalaki to ha, masugid na manliligaw. Or obsessed sa'yo, ganun. Q, F, P, X, O, K, B. Ayan ang ating mga initials. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. Celebration, acceptance, and chaser. So, lagi naghahabol to no? And may something din kasi sa kanya, parang hopeless romantic ang datingan. So, parang yung tipo ng tao na bubusugin ka sa mga material things, gifts, ganon. So, tingnan natin. mukhang madatong. Kayang-kaya niya. Parang sabi, name it. Kaya ko ibigay sa'yo lahat. O, di ba bongga? So, tingnan natin, general signs and messages tayo. Matinding stalker mo to eh. Parang sugar mommy, sugar daddy ang datingan. Pero may something kasi we have the shoes. Parang may something sa inyo nitong taong ito, lalo na kung from the past mo na ito, na gustong bumalik sa iyong buhay. Kasi maring soulmates pala kayo. So, we have here March and December. Taurus. O, yan this person is crazy for you. Runner card. Number 4. Soon. South PH. Ayan creepy stalker. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Flirtatious. January. Eye contact. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Number 8. Talented. Very serious. Seryoso daw siya, ha? Summer. Soulmate, maring soulmates mo to. Soulmates kayo. Divine, feminine, karmic relationship, province, smart, sword, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, perfect smile, friendly. Amazing. Hilarious, Virgo, patience please, and November. Number 10, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, nature lover, and last card natin, private person. So, this person is a private person, ha? Parang pa-mysterious. Ayaw niyang ipaalam kung sino siya. Maring itong taon to, pinadadalan kanya ng mga mystery gifts. Ayaw magpakilala. Ayan. So, ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.